organization is we have friendly, approachable, and dedicated staff who are focused on providing both the job seeker and the employer with excellent service. As a job seeker, Employment Solutions works hard to assist those who are seeking employment by supporting their reintegration into the Canadian job market. Job seekers are encouraged to visit us and utilize our resource room, which includes free access to an active job board, our computers, and so much more. In addition, our competent and caring consultants are available to assist with a personalized job search strategy and placement options. Now, as an employer, there are many employment services and programs that can link their organization to skilled job seekers while building strong networks within the community. Our available employer services team provides assistance with recruitment and selection of candidates, financial support to assist with trainees, and so much more. By focusing on both the needs and demands of the job seekers and employers, Employment Solutions is poised to produce strong results and produce lasting relationships within the community. Be sure to visit us at 421 Bay Street on the 4th floor and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and visit our website www.employment-solutions.ca.